Welcome back, everybody. If you have been struggling with losses in the market, struggling with forex losses, this video will help you and you definitely scale up. Now, listen to me and watch the video till the end. This is what we call market outlook, where we come into the market and tell you the perfectly by precision what's going to be happening in the market so that you can, of course, make money alongside with us. We told out some trade last week about six, and everything played out. We did a separate video for that, so you can go watch that so and learn something. However, for this new week, we're going to give you some insightful trades that will definitely play out with about 500 pips and above. And this is going to be happening live next week. Please do not miss any of these trades. They are clean setup I'm seeing right now. And of course, I'm super excited to share with you guys. First one is what we are hoping for a buy, of course, a good buy on EURJPY. Once it takes away this thing, of course, we are already having a position running. So I just hope it takes away to confirm our further entrance. Then we adjust our Excel from there to probably this space. Then this so we close it down probably up to this place that they tested on, and then we go. So aside from that, I also have this baby AUDJPY. I also have AUDJPY as well. I also have AUDJPY as a buy. Let me show you. I'm also looking for a long. I'm looking for a long on this pair. Can you see injections? Two injections on the 4 hour time frame on my cycle level. That is a confirmation. Why am I taking it? The first time I have injection here, we push down, we push up. Second time I have an impression again, we should still definitely what? We should definitely still push up. So I'm expecting that to happen on AUDJPY, of course, a long. Aside from that, I'm also expecting USD CHF. I'm in class. I'm in class. I will call you back. I'm in class. I'm expecting USD CHF. I'm expecting this to give us a shot. But before shot now, I came to my daily. I can see that if this candle closes like this, I will expect it to pull up a bit before the shot will come. This you can see this level market is creating. This last one is just an inducement. I believe you should take it a while because of this is the first bounce, the second bounce, and this is the third bounce. Every fourth bounce, market should definitely take it away. Third, fourth is where you used to have a breakout. First, second, third is always cool for you to buy or sell. Once it's fourth, you should always note that. I should tell my students, everybody knows that very well. So if you just do that, note that now and jot that on your jotter right now, that every fourth bounce of the market will definitely break out. If it is a trend line, if it is a support level, an area of interest or area of concentration, demand level, whatever level it may be, supply level is definitely what we acted on the fourth level. So I'm expecting it to break out, of course. This is just an inducement, and this is the market to come back here, give us a possible double top, then break down, then looking for a short, just like something like this, then break down a short on what USD CHF. Another one I'm looking for is this one as well, USD card. Some of these team I might chop value on Tuesday. First bounce, second, and the third. I'm asking to come back to this our trend line. Can you see this my this thing around this exactly around here? Then this will give me more confirmation because of this my trend line is stopping here and this also meeting here. This junction here, it's a very powerful junction. If market comes there, it just means because of what it's an area, it's close to our cycle level, and of course it's at an area of interest, area of concentration where we can of course shoot. So that and definitely if this one might took us two days before it matured, but it's an overall shot that is on USD card. Another one I'm looking for the let's see, let's check gold. Let's check gold. Okay, I think this one I'm looking for. This one overall is a long, but you should definitely do a do a sell first. You should sell first before the chicken will come. But right now it's an overall not it's not clean for me, so I'm not taking it. Let's check. Let's check which other one. Oh, this baby too, GDPJPY. Yeah, GDPJPY. This is also a good setup for long market. Of course, JPY has been longing and have been shorting for a while, so it definitely should correct itself. So expecting a long on this one as well. But just find your entering, what's market open, find your entering guys. Just find your entering and of course long with me guys. Just find your entering and long guys. So that is on this one actually. And then the last one, but not the least, is gold. Let's check gold. Let's check gold. Let's check gold. Right? Am I sending on gold? I'm not sending on gold at the moment. I'm not sending on gold at the moment. Nothing on gold. So I think that is it, and that is it for now. 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 So of course, watch out for those pairs, guys, and I'm expecting it to be banging crazily and massively, guys. I hope you listen for the video. Do not forget to subscribe and turn and of course turn on the notification bell. If you like this video, comment and like. Of course, don't forget to join us also on Telegram, where we have to have amazing and daily signals and trainings for free for you guys. Of course. All right. Thank you so much for joining me once again. I wish you an amazing week and profitable week. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.